Hi, Joe Nicholson at NRA. Wanted to talk to you about our ventless electric SteamChef steamers. We've got 6 different models. Some of the best features of this is our 2-piece door with the 3-year door warranty. This door is the toughest door in the industry. You can rotate the gasket to give you longer gasket life. 2-piece door gives you good sealing against the face of the unit and also allows cooling air going through there to keep the outside of the door cool to the touch. The next thing is our fan in the back with baffles. That gives you good steam distribution so you get even cooking top to bottom, left to right, front to back. Of course, our patented Clean Shield, which removes all the starches and proteins that stops the flavor transfer and cross-contamination of the products. We've got our new Easy Dial controller, which gives you very accurate timing, even seconds up to minutes to hours. Built-in compensating timer on the unit as well. All of those products that are removed go down into the tray down here, so it really makes it easy for the cleanup. So if you guys are interested, please contact your local Cleveland rep and they can give you more deals. Thanks for watching.